Today's adventure brings us down the long, sometimes very desolate Interstate 10. Not a whole heck of a lot out here, but that billboard states a roadside attraction is up ahead. One that just so happens to be one of my personal favorites, and I stop at nearly every time I'm in this neck of the woods. Welcome everyone, Adam the Woo here. But on my last couple of cross-country treks, I noticed that portions of the property were closed for remodel. A new refurbishment was underway, which got my excitement piqued. And today, it's going to culminate with a visit to the newly opened museum. Can you tell I'm excited about this? Join me, shall you? Look at that fresh new digitized billboard luring people in, potential visitors off the freeway. Don't even think about stopping for gas without peeking inside and seeing all the glory of the thing. It feels like I've almost been waiting forever for this day, but it's now officially open. Oh heck yeah. New entrance corridor equipped with sunburst for effect. Once you eliminate the impossible, whatever remains, no matter how improbable, must be the truth. What is that there on the bottom left? Can't go wrong with a skeletized dinosaur leading the way. That away, to be exact. Looks as if the price has gone up just a bit. It used to be a couple bucks, now it's $5. But I'm a sucker for all this stuff. Take my money, please.
My alien clan was very smart, as you will learn in our museum. My ancestors passed on great wisdom and knowledge to me, Jose from Raytheon Prime. This is how I know your future. I know you will enjoy exploring history in our museum. I know you will buy a souvenir to remember the out-of-this-world experience you had at the Thing. I know you will cool off with some ice cream in our Dairy Queen. And I know this because I'm Jose from Raytheon Prime.
Always remember the 10 commandments that are listed up there. But if there's one thing you should remember above all else, we are not alone in the universe. Starting off with a volcano, aliens versus dinosaurs. He's mounted on top of its back. A rootin' tootin' extraterrestrial cowboy of sorts. What we're going to learn is a culmination of over 50 years of research. Prepare to be amazed. And what if what I'm about to see is true? As I meander through this neon door frame, I have to say, wow, they have really outdone themselves and stepped up their game with the new creations, new flooring, and new walls. I mean, this is a whole other level of what it once was. Pardon me, fellas, I didn't realize you guys were in a discussion.
No problem, just expressing how happy I am to be here. And me too.
My apologies for a poor interpretation of prehistoric creatures. Something to think about. Oh yeah, see, I didn't even notice at first. Around the backside. Are those UFOs? That must be an artistic rendition of them looking out the front of their ship. Right up there. Takes 5 of them to fly those things. For thousands of years, they were their masters. However, some of them disapproved of the enslavement and harsh treatment, controlled by these bizarre pieces of headwear, almost like a motorcycle helmet. When they approached, stating, "We come in peace," the T-Rex and crew should have never trusted them. Never. Doing a little investigating of a rattlesnake. Don't get too close. Those things pack a punch. As amazing as this spaceship and invaders are, I'm enamored by the jackalope down there. Old Dave Coulier would be proud. Continuing on a bit, going to learn about the mysterious the mysterious cave dwellers. Tough to see there in the shadows, hiding among the stalactites and stalagmites, stating that the leadership thought they were a little too primitive to be concerned about. But what happened to them? Are they connected to humans of today? In these glass cases are some bones, relics that were found inside a southern Arizona mine. Resembles a head of some sort, at least that's what I'm picturing, like tusks or a snout or something. Ancient petroglyphs trying to interpret what is carved in here. We have a couple people around the campfire, and up top appears to be an asteroid storm, or maybe those are ships of some sort. When the dinos found new intelligence, they began to organize attacks against their masters. That's what's going on here. A full-scale battle of epic proportions. Go get him, fella. The only defense the spacemen had against their powerful foe was that button, the red button. Once pressed, total annihilation was inevitable. Sending an asteroid in at full speed, destination. That was contact, not a dinosaur noise. If you look closely, the retina of the eyeball will follow my every move. If I stop here, staring deep into my soul, and if I continue all the way around the front of the nose, still looking at me. That's just slightly unusual, being stared at so attentive-like. By following the timeline they have created, you can see what eventually happened throughout the future. Life was renewed, and then the return. They came back. Who knew an entire history lesson would take place here in the desert? Who knew? Passing by some farm equipment and old school transportation devices, including this yoked together oxen who are pulling a stagecoach. Nice. Had an abrupt segue of sorts. Shifted, the theming has gone to the Great Depression and World War II with this tribute to veterans. An enlarged newspaper from Tucson, Arizona, the morning of Tuesday, June 6th, 1944. But then we're hit with the fact that what if history was manipulated by these creatures? And it's like driving Miss Daisy, except it's Winston Churchill back there. What if definitely is the driving point? Okay, that was a pun. Driving. That was unintentional. Okay, I'm putting things together now. I'm finally getting it from the exhaust of that vehicle, this family tree line of sorts. Everything's connected? I might be off base with this, but have they always been here? Crop circles, Roswell, Stonehenge, the Bermuda Triangle, the sinking of the Titanic, the king of rock and roll, bed bugs. It's all making sense now. And what better way to ponder those thoughts than stepping into a mine shaft? Oh no. The bird is gone. The lights just turned on. It was dark in here. It's a good thing there's an exit sign too. You don't want to get lost in a mine shaft without having an escape route. Some more bones in the corner and a box labeled Top Secret. What do you think is in there? There's no telling, but I do know I'm getting a vibe that we're awfully close. What is it? It's a question that has bewildered us for over 5 decades, and it lies just around this corner. Dun dun dun, dun dun dun, dun 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 dun. Yes! The thing! It's been a while, my friend. It's been a long while. But I do like how illuminated you are. They have displayed you properly. Take a moment with me to bask in its glory. The thing. You done basking? In all seriousness, I do love what they've done with the place. A complete 180 of sorts of what was here in the past. Back into the gift shop now, where new merchandise has been added to the shelving. Magnets, hats, the classic shot glasses and tumblers, even new t-shirts as well. Quite a few new designs that I'd never seen before. I, because it's an I, have a particular style that I'm looking to purchase, and this isn't it. Gonna go with the basic no photo version just to keep up the mystery, and I'm gonna get it in the color blue, even though the yellow is pretty nice as well. Gonna go with this one. That's my pony. And must stay hydrated after all that excitement. Yeah, that'll do the trick. That'll wet my whistle properly. A bit more headwear over here, including some keychains, bumper stickers, and postcards. That's gonna do it for today. If you're new here, please subscribe. By doing so, helps keep you in the loop and up to date on future adventures I will be going on, as well as uploads here on this channel. Take it a step further, ring that notification bell. If you enjoyed this particular episode, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. And speaking of thumbs up, I love the thing in Arizona. Do me a favor, if you're ever on a road trip and you're cruising down Interstate 10 and you find wacky, interesting roadside attractions, something of a forte in your life, stop off here. It is awesome. It was always in my top 5 or 10 particular destinations when it comes to bizarre places along thoroughfares, but now it's probably stepped up a notch or two. I sincerely love what they have done with this experience over the last year. The remodel is incredible. I'll see you in the next video. The vlog is over. What's on the hand stamp there?
It's a alien